Since the first vertical takeoff in my Harrier, I got a lot of awesome comments from you guys, so thank you for that. It really motivates me to do some more videos, and today we're going to take a closer look to this awesome machine. So everything is 3D printed. That's the big advantage of rapid prototyping. If you do something wrong, I can reprint it, adjust it. So what we're going to do in the next video, we are going to link these nozzles from the Harrier, because it can take off firstly pointing the nozzles downwards, but if I want to go fly away, to do the transition flight, I have to rotate these nozzles correctly. What we are going to do is to use the same method I used in my previous version. I use two strong servos that can rotate the nozzle. Okay, let me show you how it works. The angle seems to be correct, 90 degrees downwards and 10 degrees forwards. 10 degrees forwards is for what I'm going to do in inbound. I want to slow down the Harrier. The computer will keep the airplane horizontal, but it will point the thrusters forwards, so it will, yeah, it's kind of an air brake. So let's print something, and I will keep you guys updated. Oh, Kenji, where did it go? Give it back, please. Oh. No, it's for the Harrier. Yeah, you can play with it. Print a new one.